The exhibits have already been marked. It's not necessary to remark them.
Oh, is that so?
Yes. The only aspect, my lord, as far as exhibit GG1 is concerned, if there's a need to refer to it, it's a 4-page document. We'll just say page 1 of GG1. I think there'll hardly be any reference to it. Then GG2 consists of 5 pages and it's been marked at the bottom, my lord. It says 1 of 184, 2 of 184, 3 of 184, 4 of 185. Then the commission card, it's 5 of 184. Then thereafter from page 6 begins the call data, which has already been marked exhibit DD5, F, Roman figure 1. And that carries from page 6 up until the end, my lord, page 184.
Page 184?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine, let's proceed then.
Yes, there was a duplication in the, just for the sake of my colleagues, an unsigned affidavit was attached after the signed one of Ms. Fillingham, if they can just maybe just draw a line through those blank pages.
So the affidavit that's in contention is the one on page,
yes,
page 1 of 184.
I've already removed it from the court's bundle.
Oh, okay, fine.
Just for the sake of my colleagues.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yes. Colonel Gous.
Is nog onder eed, Colonel.
Thank you, my lord. Understand.
Perhaps to clear any misconceptions out of the way, if you can just open the original 2.5 that you have received from the service provider. Is that the original section 2.5 data that you've received from the service provider?
That's correct, my lord.
Yes. And perhaps just for the sake of the record, if you can just set out the process in securing a subpoena for call data. How does that process commence?
This was not done by me, that was done by an investigation officer. Supply an affidavit to the service provider with a court, a judge signing, and then it's given to the service provider, and then they provide the data to the investigation officer.
So when service provider and the affidavit they finally sign of
Is it correct that exhibit GG1, the 4 pages cover that process that you've just outlined?
That's correct, my lord.
Yeah, except that it's a magistrate.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sorry, my lord.
No, no.
Then upon receipt of the request, what happens then from the service provider's end?
They they provided to the investigation officer on a CD format, and in this particular, I've testified it was on a PDF format, one CD, and the other one was on an Excel format that's been done by the service provider itself.
ECD nadama file PDF futhi waphinda bakhipha nenye ifile eyihlobo le-Excel.
Originally from the service provider, in what format does the call data come?
A PDF format.
Bathi kuphuma lapha service provider lama file lawa phuma eyihlobo le-PDF.
Now, what happens for the data now to be converted to Excel?
It's done by, it's also taken off the service, and that's done by the service provider also, not by us.
Do you know if the service provider provides an affidavit?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Right. I just want to show you exhibit, what we've marked as exhibit DD5 in brackets F in bracket 1. There's the call data itself that commences from page 6 up to the last page, which is page 184. Is it the call data that was received?
That's correct.
And just for record purposes, just place the number on which a subpoena was requested for the call data.
It's not on what I've got, my lord. This is just the data. So.
I just refer you to page 3 of exhibit GG1. What is the number?
Okay, so the nature of the information required is.
It's just right at the bottom.
Yeah. 0726768169.
Le number ke le eyacelwa ngayo ile number u0726766169.
Thank you. Now, if we can then turn to the call data itself. That would be on page 9 of exhibit DD5 in brackets F in bracket 1. The computerized number that appears at page 9 of 184, it appears at the bottom of the page, my lord. Yes, your exhibit DD5 in bracket C, if you can just indicate, you confirm that it starts on this page that I've just mentioned, page 9.
Okay, qinisekisa yini ukuthi iqala ekhasini lesishagalolunye?
That's correct, my lord.
Ngathi yebo kunjalo.
Right, John. Right.
Yes.
Staan, page 8. Staan, dan we begin.
Iqala ekhasini lesishagalolunye.
Yes, but that call,
The original call, yes.
yes, that you mentioned, the correct that it starts on page 9.
That's correct. That's correct.
The one that lasted 174 seconds.
That's correct, my lord.
Bathi ke lolu cingo olwahamba imizuzu 174 seconds lona liqala lapha ekhasini lesishagalolunye.
Yes. Now, if you can just once again, say just to clear up any misunderstanding or any misconceptions, if you can just start all over again, just using the...
I understand that my colleague Mr. Waloyi has got a very soft tone.
It's got what?
It's got a very soft tone.
Oh, I see.
Yes. But I think it gets absorbed up by the echo here.
I'm sorry.
So I'm unable to follow him. Thank you, man.
I'm sorry.
Just read like you're in a tavern, please.
I'm sorry for getting this. Your exhibit, as per exhibit DD5 in bracket C, is that correct that it commences on page 9 of exhibit DD5 in brackets F in brackets Roman figure 1?
That's correct, my lord.
Ngathi yebo exhibition 55C iqala khona lelo page.
Now, yesterday a concern was raised regarding the authenticity of the data that you used. Do you have the original data from the service provider today?
Yes, that's correct, my lord.
Bathi le batha ayitholile ile kuma service provider bathi yebo.
Yes. Now, if you can perhaps commence with your evidence all over again, just using the original data, starting with the call that we see on page 9 that lasted 174 seconds. And as we mentioned yesterday, you don't need to read out.
Line number 18.
So line number 18, that's where you're starting.
That's
on
correct.
page 9.
And that is in line with exhibit DD5 in bracket
DD5
C.
C. Okay. All right. Yeah, fine.
Number 2772768169 is MTC receiving a call from 277239958787 accused 5 for a period of for duration of 174 seconds. On the 24 October 2014 and 1826, 36. Tower location 2G Goud Street, SGS1.
Join the number then 072 766 8169. Ya Tindana. Join Tindana then the number 072 399 5787. I'm solo stand. In 24 October 2014, Iskatiska 1826, 36 second, and the tower line sections is of 2G Gold Street, SGS 1.
I ask you to turn to page 11 of this exhibit DD5 in brackets F in brackets Roman figure. Continue evidence.
Page 11, line number 1, line number 7. 2772768169. Originating call to accused 5 277239958787. 47 seconds. And cell tower on 26 October 2014 at 13:49. And the cell phone tower 2G Vosloorus SGS 2.
So in number 072 76668169. Ngomhla 26 October 2014 ngo-13:49 yafonela number 072 3995787 and futhi yafonela emizuzu ewu-47 and kule 47 second wayefonela isebenzisa itower u-2G Phosphorus SGS2.
Yes.
Next one is page. Well, not my pages and this pages, because there was some attachments in front of this page, my page and this pages is. But I'll refer to the one that the council has.
Yes.
So it's exactly the same data. It's just there was some. The statement was on with this one, so. This is only the call data.
Page 11.
Page 11, just look at 26, 15, 19.
That call lasting 65 seconds.
That's about line 25. 277276688169. Outgoing call to accused 5 277239958787 on 26 October 2014 at 15:19:32. Cell tower for 65 seconds. Cell tower 2G Vosloorus SGS 3.
Join the number 072 766 8169. On 6 October 2014, Iskatiska 15:19:32 seconds. Yeah, for the number is 072 3995787. Imizuzwana amashumi ayisithupha nanhlanu kusetshenziswa-ke yona le tower 2G Vosloorus SGS 3.
It's page 11.
Page 11. also on page 11. 13 line from the bottom. 27726681169. MTC received a call from accused 5, number 27723995787 for a period of 89 seconds on the 26th October 2014 at 18:31, 16 seconds, while I was in the cell area of 2G Voliter SGS 1.
The number 0727668169, Tindana number 0723395787, Emizuzwana Amashuma Shaka Dombeli, Shaka Dolonye, Extension 6 October 2014, Discardisca 183116. So the tower then 2G Voliter SGS 1.
Yeah, that number 56387 is not one of the accusers now.
Right, then the next page. Page 70.
Sixth line from the bottom, page 17. 2772766. Received a call from accused 5, 27715951239 for 15 seconds on the 1st of November 2014 at 16:46:41 and cell tower 2G Delville North SGC 2.
So the phone 072-766-8169, Mingala 1 November 2014, Escati store, quarter to 16:46:41, Escati corner. Yeah, Tindana the phone 071-595-1239, Mizuzwana Shumi Nantan, kusetshenziswa tower 2G Delville North SGC 2.
Page 18.
Twentieth line from the bottom, page 18. 27772668169. Originating call to accused 5, 27715951239, 13 seconds on the 2nd of November 2014 at 15:46:57. Cell tower 2G Force Lorist East SGS 3.
Your number 0727618169. Ngomhla 2 November 2014, isikhathi sika 15:46:57. Yafonela number 071-595-1239. Imizuzwana eyishumi nantathu kusetshenziswa iTower 2G Phosphorus East SGS 3.
Next one, 18th line from the bottom, 27726688169. Call originating to accused 5, 27715951239 for 47 seconds on the 2nd of November 2014 at 15:48:58, while in the 2G Phosphorus East SGS 3 tower.
0727668169. Wathinda number 071-595-1239. Imizuzwana amashumi amane nesikhombisa ngomhla 2 November 2014 ngesikhathi sika 15:48:58. Kusetshenziswa iTower go 2G Phosphorus East SGS 3.
14th line from the bottom, page 18, 072276688169. Outgoing call originating to accused 5, 27723995787 for 135 seconds on 2 November 2014 at 16:23:59. Cell tower 2G Phosphorus East SGS 3.
072-766-8169. Yafonela is 072-399-5787. Imizuzwana eyikhulu 135 ngomhla 2 November 2014 ngesikhathi sika 16:23:59. Sebenzisa iTower 2G Phosphorus East SGS 3.
Tenth line from bottom, page 18, 27726688169. Originating call to accused 5, 27723995787 for 61 seconds on the 2nd of November 2014 and at 18:24:43. Cellphone tower 2G Phosphorus Square SGS 3.
072-766-8169. Yafonela number 072-3995787. Imizuzu amashumi ayisithupha nanye ngomhla ka 2 November 2014. Isikhathi beku 18:24:43. Setshenziswa iTower 2G Phosphorus Square SGS 3.
Page 20.
Page 20, second last line on page 20, 27726688169. Received a call from accused 5, 2772664270007, 93 seconds on the 4th of November 2014, 12:04:52, and the cell phone tower 2G the Bridge Mall SGS 1.
So number 072-766-189. Yathola if call evela ku 076-642-7007 ngomhla 4 November 2014 ngesikhathi sa 12:04:52. Setshenziswa iTower 2G the Bridge Mall SGS 1.
Page 22.
Line 10 from the top on page 22, 277-726688169. Received the call from accused 5, 277-726688169 664-27007 for 73 seconds on the 5th of November 2014 at 18:25:29. Cell Tower 2G Kensington SGC 1.
Drawing number 072 766 8169. Yeah, is a call originating or receiving?
Receiving.
Yeah, thola i-call evela ku-76 642 7007 imizuzu amashumi ayisikhombisa nantathu ngomhla ka-5 November 2014 isikhathi kwaku-18:25:29 kwakusetshenziswa itower 2G Kensington SGC 1.
Line 22 on page 22. 277-727-668-169. Call originating to accused 5 277-664-27007 for 10 seconds on 6 November 2014 at 05:11:03. And Cell Tower 2G Goud Street SGS.
072 766 8169. Yeah, phone 076 642 7007. Imusuzwana edishu. Umhla 6 November 2014 ngesikhathi sika 05:11:03 kusetshenziswa itower 12 2G Gold Street SGS 1.
Checks just the next entry. 277-766-8169. Received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 on the 6th of November 2014 at 05:12:16 for 14 seconds in the 2G Moy Street SGS 1 tower. Shell name.
072-766-8169. Yeah, thola iphone evela ku-76 642 7007 umhla 6 November 2014 ngesikhathi sika 5:12 ama-seconds about 16 ama-seconds about 16 lapha kusetshenziswa itower u-2G Moy Street SGS 1.
On page 25, these are the calls that Course Advocate used yesterday to object to the authenticity of the data.
You're on page 25 now.
Page 25, yes.
Well, I did not get the last portion of my colleague's
Yes.
submission that this.
No, I'm saying the course of the 8th of November 2014 elicited the objection
The
from
8th?
your side. Yes, the 8th of November 2014.
Which is on what page?
It's on page 25.
Okay, thank you.
21 lines from the bottom on page 25.
If you can start right at the top, the third call.
Fourth one. Or fifth.
No, the third.
Okay.
The third from the top.
Third from the top. No, that's not one of our.
The one that lasted 94 seconds.
94 seconds. Oh, there you are. Yeah. There's that one there. That was 27. Pause it now. just check you, my lord. I'm just by the 8. Yeah. That's a 94 seconds, that's correct, yes. Sorry, it's the third line from the top on page 25.
Yeah, just place that on record.
Yeah. Third line from the top on page 25. Two 7272668 received a call MTC from 277-723-995-787 for 94 seconds on the 8th of November 2014 at 13:37:45 and cell tower 2G Lesedi SGS2.
So the 072-766-8169 yathola ifoni evela ku-072-399-5787 imzuzu amashumi ayisishiyagalolunye namane imzuzwana ngomhla ka-8 kuNovember 2014 isikhathi kwaku-13:37:45 ithawa esetshenziswa ku-2G Lesedi SGS2.
And the 11th line from the top on page 25. 277-727-668-169 received a call from accused 5-277-239-95787 for 40 seconds on the 8th of November 2014 at 14:26:37. Salto 2G Lesedi SGS2.
Kuthiwa-ke inombolo lena u-072-766-8169 ngomhla ka-8 November 2014 yathola i-call evela ku-072-399-5787 eyayiyimizuzwana eyamashumi amane kuphela yayisebenzisa ithawa 2G Lesedi SGS2.
Next entry 277-72668-169 call originating outgoing call accused 5-277-239-35787 for 49 seconds on 8 November 2014 at 14:28:18 Salto 2G Lesedi SGS2.
072-766-8169 ngomhla ka-8 November 2014 isikhathi kwaku-14:28:18 seconds yafonela u-072-399-5787 imizuzu amashumi amane nesishiyagalolunye lapho-ke sebenzisa ithawa u-2G Lesedi.
C to accuse 5-277-239-95787 for 46 seconds on the 8th of November 2014 at 14:31:21 cell name 2G Lesedi SGS2.
The number was 072-766-8169 ngomhla ka-8 November 2014 ngesikhathi ka-14:31:21 yafonela inamba 072-399-5787 imizuzwana amashumi amane nesithupha kusetshenziswa ithawa 2G Lesedi SGS2.
Then line about in the middle, let me just check line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Line 21 from the bottom. 277-266-8169 received a call from accused 5-277-664-27007 for 98 seconds on the 8th of November 2014 at 21:15:16 cell tower 2G Goud Street SGS1.
To the number 072 7668161, ngomhla 8 November 2014, discussed 21 15 16 second. Yathola ifoni evela ku 076 642 7007 eyamashumi ayishagalolunye nesishagalombili wemizuzwana kusetshenziswa ke i-2G Gold Street SGS1 kuyiyona esetshenziswa.
Just for record purposes, you'll recall that this is a call that we place above other calls for the 8th of November 2014 in terms of time.
That's correct, my lord.
Yes, you may proceed.
I just want to check here. Then, 103. Fourth line from the bottom, page 25. 27727668169. Received a call from accused 5 27723995787 for 237 seconds on the 9th of November 2014 at 090308 in the cell tower 2G Moy Street SGS1.
To the number 0727 8169 November 2014, Escatis 90308, yathola ifoni evela ku 072 3995787 amakhulu amabili nemashumi amathathu nesikhombisa yemizuzwana kusetshenziswa ke itower 2G Moy Street SGS1.
Page 27.
Looks like a line 21, 2772668169, 11th of November 2014, 17:59:03. Outgoing call MOC to accused 5 277399587 for 252 seconds, and the cell name 2G Moy Street SGS1.
To the number 0727668169 ngomhla 11 November 2014 isikhathi sika 17:59:03 ifonela u-072995787 imizuzu engamakhulu amabili namashumi amahlanu nambili kusetshenziswa itower ku-2G Moy Street SGS1.
Eighth line from the bottom, page 27, 27727668169. Received a call from accused 5 27766427007. 17 seconds on 11 November 2014, 21:57:39. Cell name 2G Goud Street SGS1.
To u-072768169 ngomhla 11 November 2014 isikhathi 21:57:39 yafonela ke yathola ikhola evela ku-766 6422707 imizuzwana eyishumi nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa ke itower 2G Gold Street SGS.
Page 30.
In the middle of the page, line line 22, 27727668169. Received a call from accused 5 277 664-27007 for 62 seconds. On the 14th of November 2014, 210350, cell tower 2G, Goud Street, SGS 1.
So again, in the number 0727768169, yeah, thola in number envelope 076642707. Yeah, I'm sorry, Stan. I'm a minute, I'm in Zuzwana. I'm a Shuma Stupa Nambili. On 14 November 2014, schedule 210350. Entire sentence, so I go for 2G, Port Street, SGS 1.
Checklist that. So a lot, I'm just on page 30, fourth line from the bottom. 277-27668-169 received a call from accused 5 277-239-95787 for 83 seconds on 15 November 2014 at 11:20:27, cell tower 2G Moy Street, SGS 1.
So I now get the number 0727768169. On 15 November 2014, it's got 11:20:27 seconds. Yeah, thola phone available 072-399-5787. Email Zuzwana AO83. Soy Tower 2G Moy Street SOS SGS 1.
Page 31, third line from the top. 277-27668-169 received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007, 39 seconds on the 15th of November 2014 at 14:21:53, cell tower 2G Carlton MNZSGS.
So number 0727768169. On 15 November 2014, it's got 14:21:53. Yeah, thola phone available 076-642-7007 imizuzwana amashumi amathathu nesishagalolunye Senzo 2G Carlton MN2SGS 1.
Sixth line from the top of page 31. 277-27668-169 received a call from accused 5 277-239-95787 for 25 seconds on 15 November 2014 at 15:10:30, cell tower 2G Moy Street, SGS 1.
0727768169. Wathola phone evela ku 072-399-5787 imizuzwana yamashumi amabili nanhlanu ngomhla 15 November 2014 isikhathi kwaku 15:10:30 seconds. Setshenziswa i-Tower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Twenty-seventh line from top, page 31. 277-27668-169 received a call from accused 5 277-239-95787 for 87 seconds on the 15th of November 2014 at 20:46:14, cell tower 2G Moy Street, SGS 1.
072-766-18169. On 15 November 2014, ngesikhathi sika 20:46:14, yathola ifoni evela ku 072-399-5787 imizuzwana yamashumi ayisishiyagalombili nayisikhombisa. Setshenziswa i-Tower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
25th line from the top on page 32. 277-27668169 received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 67 seconds on the 18th of November 2014 at 11:16:08 Shelto 2G Joburg General SGS 3.
Joe 072 7668169 mhla 18 November 2014 isikhathi 11:16:08 yathola i-call evela 766 no 076-642-7007 imizuzwana amashumi ayisithupha nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa itower 2G Joburg General SGS 3.
Fourth line from the bottom, page 32. 277-27668169 received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 18 seconds on 18 November 2014, 13:06:44, and the cell tower 2G JP SGS 2.
So I go 076 072 766 8169 mhla 18 November 2014 isikhathi sika 13:06:44 yathola ke ifone evela ku 766 evela ku 076 642 7007 imizuzwana eyishumi nesishiyagalombili kusetshenziswa ke itower 2G JP SGS 2.
Last line on page 32. 277-27668169 call originating outgoing call to accused 5 277-764-27007 for a period of for time 30 seconds on 18 November 2014 at 13:11:03 and the cell tower 2G Belgravia SGS 2.
So 072 7668169 ngomhla 18 November 2014 isikhathi 13:11:03 yafonela inamba 076-642-7007 imizuzwana eyamashumi amathathu kusebenzisa itower 2G Belgravia SGS 2.
Sorry, have you done the seventh one from the top on page 32?
Page 32, the second one from top.
Seventh, number 7.
1, 2, 3. No, my lord, no, that's not.
That's not done, but
no.
it's marked.
Yeah, but it's not one of our notes.
Okay, fine. Just to make sure.
Page 33. Line number 19 and 20. I'm going to read line number 19. 277-27668169 received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 12 seconds on 18 November 2014 at 19:24:04. And then in the 2 Kensington SGS, and then the second line 277-27668169, an outgoing call to accused 5 on 277-664-27007 for 11 seconds on 18 November 2014 at 19:39:30, while in the 2G Belgravia SGS 2 tower.
So 072-7668169 mhla 18 November 2014 ngesikhathi sika 19:24:04 yathola i-call evela ku 766427007 imizuzwana eyishumi nambili kusetshenziswa itower SG Kensington SGC C1. Kanti yona the number there was 072 766 8169 ngomhla 18 November 2014 ngesikhathi sika 1939-30 yafonela inumber 766 076646427007 imizuzwana eyishumi nanye kusetshenziswa itower ke u-2G Belgravia SGS2.
In line 25, on page 33, 277-27668169, received the call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 53 seconds on 18 November 2014 at 20:48:16 in the Cell Tower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
You know the number 072 766 8169 yathola incode evela ku 0766427007 imizuzu yamashumi amathathu nantathu ngomhla 18 November 2014 isikhathi sika 20:48:16 so it's itower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
18th line from the bottom of page 33, 277-27668169, received a call from accused 5 277-239-95787 for 95 seconds on the 19th of November 2014 at 07:20:10, cell name 2G Goud Street SGS 1.
Number 072 766 8169. Ayathola ikhode evela ku 072 399 5787 imizuzu eyamashumi ayishagalolunye namahlanu ngomhla 19 November 2014 isikhathi sika 7:10 kushuthi-ke bekusetshenziswa-ke itower u-2G Gold Street SGS 1.
Page 33, fifth line from the bottom, 277-27668169, received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 28 seconds on 19 November 2014 at 10:17:27 and cell tower 2G Cinderella SGC 2.
072766169 ngomhla 19 November 2014 isikhathi sika 10:17:27 yathola ifoni evela ku 0766427007 imizuzwana emashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili kusetshenziswa itower u-2G Cinderella SGC 2.
Just check. 15 line from top, page 34. 277-27668169 received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 66 seconds on the 19th of November 2014. 18:37:37, or 2G Moy Street SGS, and just after the entry after that, 277-27668169 received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 27 seconds on 19 November 2014 and 18:45:25, cell tower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Joga number 072766169 mhla 19 November 2014 isikhathi sika 18:37:37 yathola ifoni evela 0766427007 eyathatha imizuzwana eyisithupha kusetshenziswa ke ithawa 2G Moy Street SGS1 kanti ke futhi izophinde ngaso yona leyo phone 0727668169 ithole futhi enye ifoni evela ku 0766427007 ngomhla 19 November 2014 ngesikhathi ka 18:45:25 imizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa ithawa 2G Moy Street SGS1.
Looks like the 25th line, but just 23rd line from the bottom, page 34. 27772668169 received a call MTC from accused 5 27766427007 for 24 seconds on the 20th of November 2014 at 08:51:06. Cell name 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
0727668169 ngomhla 20 November 2014 isikhathi ka 8:51:06 yathola icall evela ku 0766427007 eyathatha isikhathi semizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nane kusetshenziswa ithawa 2G Moy Street SGS1.
Seventeenth line from the bottom, 27727668169 received a call from accused 5 27766427007 for 27 seconds on the 20th of November 2014 at 16:55:59. Cell name 2G Moy Street SGS1.
The number 0727668169 umhla 20 November 2014 isikhathi ka 16:55:59 yathola icall evela ku 076427007 Isuzu amashumi amabili nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa ithawa 2G Moy Street SGS1.
It will be 21. 12th line from the bottom, page 35. 27727668169. Outgoing call originating to accused 5 27766427007 for 110 seconds on 21 November 2014 at 19:35:38 and cell tower 2G Belgrave SGS 2.
07277668169 umhla 21 November 2014 isikhathi ka 19:35:38 yafonela inamba 0766427007 imizuzu eyikhulu nalishumi kusetshenziswa ithawa 2G Belgrave SGS 2.
Last entry on page 36. 27772668169 received a call from accused 5 2777664277007 for 86 seconds on the 22nd of November 2014 at 13:24:00. and Cell Tower 2G, Goat Street, SGS 1.
Those 0727068169. Ngomhla 22 November 2014 isikhathi 13:24:00 wathola ikhodi evela ku 0766427007 eyaba imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisishiyagalombili nayisithupha kusetshenziswa uTower 2G Goat Street SGS 1.
November. Fourth line from the bottom, page 38. 27727668169. Received a call from accused 5277239958787 for 59 seconds on the 24th of November 2014 at 13:17:41 at Cell Tower 2G Fort Fluoresce Mobile SGS 3.
0727068169 ngomhla 24 November 2014 isikhathi 13:17:41 yathola ikholi evela ku 0723995787 eyaba imizuzu eyamashumi amahlanu nasishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa iTower 2G Phosphorus Mobile SGS 3.
Last line on page 38. 27727668169 received a call from accused 5277733059202 for 46 seconds on the 24th of November 2014 at 14:22:02 Cell Tower 2G Malola Park SGS 2.
0727068169 ngomhla 24 November 2014 isikhathi 14:22:02 yathola ifoni evela ku 0733059202 eyayi amashumi amane nesithupha wemizuzwana kusetshenziswa iTower SG Malola Park SGS 2.
Line from the top, page 40. 27772668169 received a call from accused 52776642707 12 seconds on the 26th of November 2014 and 18:37:40 and cell name 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
0727068169 mhla 26 November 2014 isikhathi 18:37:40 yathola ikhodi evela ku 0766427007 eyaba imizuzwana eyishumi nambili kusetshenziswa iTower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Twentieth line from the bottom, page 41. 27772668169 received a call from accused 5277723995787 for 77 seconds on the 28th of November 2014 at 07:10:00 while at the Cell Tower 2G Moy Street SGS 3.
0727068169 ngomhla 28 November 2014 ngesikhathi sika 7:10:00 lapho ke yathola ikhodi evela ku 3995787 eyathatha imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisikhombisa nayisikhombisa setshenziswa ithawu 2G ngoLwesibini SGS1.
Sorry, just repeat that.
Myself, my lord.
Yeah.
Line, just check the line.
On page 51.
41.
Page 41, yeah, my lord. I just want to check the line.
It's 0710, my lord.
10,
It's a
line
col-
20 about, my lord, from the bottom. Yes. 0710 on the 28th of November. 77 minutes.
77.
Seconds. Can I continue, my lord?
Yes.
Then is 2, 4, 6, 7 calls in a row. So I'll start from line 1, 5 from the bottom of page 41. 27772668169 received a call from accused 5 27766427007 for 7 seconds on 28 November 2014 at 11:31:39. Cell tower 2G Dawn Park SGS 2. The next one 27772668169 made a call, outgoing call MOC to accused 5 27766427007 for 3 seconds 28 November 2014 at 11:31:49. Cell tower 2G Park Dawn Park SGS 2. 27726688169 made a call, outgoing MOC to accused 5 2777664270002 for 4 seconds 28 November 2014 at 11:32. 2G Dawn Park SGS 2 Tower, and then 27726688169 received a call from accused 5 on from 27766427007 for 74 seconds on the 28th of November 2014 at 11:32:34 2G Dawn Park SGS 2. I don't know if you then 27726688169 outgoing call originating to accused 5 27766427007 for 8 seconds on the 28th of November 2014 11:34:33 while in 2G Dawn Park SGS 2 cell tower 27726688169 outgoing call originating MOC to accused 5 27766427007 for 4 seconds 28 November 2014 at 11:35:22 2G Dawn Park SGS 2 tower, and the last one in the sequence is 27726688169 received a call from accused 5 2776664277007 for 14 seconds on 28 November 2014 11:35:44 in the 2G Dawn Park SGS 1 tower.
Joy 07276688169 yathola ifoni evela ku 0766427007 eyayi yemizuzwana esikhombisa kuphela mhla 28 November 2014 ngesikhathi sika 11:31:39 setshenziswa ke nansi ithathwa 2G Dawn Park SGS 2 futhi ke yona ke nenamba 0727668169 mhla 28 November 2014 ngesikhathi 11:31 ngesikhathi sika 11:31:49 yafona ke manje isifuna imizuzu emithathu ifonela u-076 642 7007 isebenzisa le tower u-2G Don Park SGS2. Kanti ke le number u-072 766 8169 ngomhla 28 November 2014 ngesikhathi 11:32:17 yaphinde yafona imizuzu emine kuphela ifonela u-076 sebenzisa u-2G Don Park SGS2 tower. Kanti izophinda futhi ngo-072 le number 072 766 8169 ngomhla 28 November ngesikhathi 11:32:34 ithole i-call evela ku-076 642 7007 imizuzu engamashumi ayisikhombisa namane kusetshenziswa i-tower 2G Don Park SGS2. Bese-ke u-072 766 8169 ngomhla 28 November 2014 isikhathi ku-11:34:44 yafonela yona ifonela u-076 642 7007 imizuzu eyisishiyagalombili isebenzisa i-tower 2G Don Park SGS2. Bese-ke yona-ke ne-number futhi u-072 766 8169 ngomhla 28 November 2014 isikhathi ku-11:36:22 yafonela i-number u-076 642 7007 imizuzwana emine kuphela isebenzisa i-tower u-2G Don Park SGS2. And futhi-ke le number u-072 766 8169 ngomhla 28 November 2014 isikhathi sika 11:35:44 yafonelwa ifonelwa u-076 642 7007 imizuzwana eyishumi nane kusetshenziswa i-tower u-2G Don Park SGS1.
Sixth line from the top, page 42. 277 27668 received a call from accused 5 277 664 27007 for 54 seconds on 28 November 2014 at 12:43:07. Cell tower 2G Spruitview SGS1.
So 072 8169 ngomhla 28 November 2014 isikhathi sika 12:43:07 yathola i-call evela ku-076 642 7007 eyaba imizuzwana engamashumi amahlanu namane evela esetshenziswa-ke le tower 2G Spruitview SGS1.
12th line from the top, page 42. 277 27668 169 outgoing call originating to accused 5 277 664 27007 for 80 seconds on 28 November 2014 at 14:08:58. Cell tower 2G Ngoza SGS1.
So number 072 766 8169 ngomhla 28 November 2014 isikhathi sika 14:08:58 yona-ke yafonela u-076 642 7007 imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisishiyagalombili lapha ikusebenziswa i-tower u-2G Ngoza SGS1.
Line 14, page 42. 277 27668 169 received a call from accused 5 277 664 27007 for 70 seconds on 28 November 2014 at 15:54:49. Cell tower 2G Ngoza SGS2.
0727668169 ngomhla 28 kuNovember 2014 ngesikhathi sika 15:54:49 yathola icall evela ku 0766427007 eyaba imizuzwana amashumi ayisikhombisa kusetshenziswa itower 2G ngoza SGS2.
The court, please, Malo, before we proceed to the next calls, can we maybe take the short adjournment to allow Colonel Host to refresh?
I just want to get my glasses in the car quickly, my lord.
It's 11:54. I think 10 or 15 minutes will be so.
Namashumi amane kusetshenziswa ke itower 2G Kensington SGC2.
Line 18, page 40, line 18 from the bottom, page 46. There's three consecutive calls. I'm going to read all three. 277 2772668 received a call from accused 5 277 27007 for 43 seconds on 1st December 2014 at 18:12. Cell tower 2G Kensington SGS 1. Next one, next entry 277 27668 received a call from accused 5 277 27007 for 4 seconds on 1st December 2014 and 18:20. 16 Cell tower 2G Kensington SGS 1, and third entry 277 27668 received a call from accused 5 277 7664 27002 for 38 seconds on the 1st of December 2014, 18:20 40, Cell tower 2G Kensington SGS 2.
It was 072 766 8169 mhla 1 December 2014 isikhathi sika 18:12 yathola icall evela ku 0766427007 eyaba imizuzwana amashumi amane nantathu senswa itower 2G Kensington SGC1 futhi ke yona leyo number u 0727668169 ngomhla ka 1 December 2014 isikhathi sika 18:2016 eyathola icall evela ku 06427007 eyaba imizuzwana emine kusetshenziswa itower SGC 2G Kensington SGC1 kanti ke futhi ke u 0727668169 ngomhla 1 December 2014 isikhathi sika 18:20:40 yathola icall evela ku 766427007 eyaba imizuzwana eyamashumi amathathu nesishiyagalombili futhi ke lapha itower esetshenziswa ku 2G Kensington SGC2.
Fifth line from the bottom, page 47. 277 27668 received a call from accused 5 277 239 95787 for 89 seconds on 2 December 2014 at 17:26:42. Cell tower 2G Kensington SGC 3.
0727668169 ngomhla 2 December 2014 isikhathi 17:26:42 athola icall evela ku 0723995787 eyaba imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisishiyagalombili nesishiyagalolunye lapho ke okusetshenziswa itower 2G Kensington SGC3.
last line, page 48. 277-7668169. Received a call from QS5 277-239-95787 for 605 seconds. On the 3rd of December 2014 at 19:25:12, cell tower 2G Kensington SGC 3.
00727668169 ngomhla 3 December 2014 isikhathi 18:25:12 yathola icall evela ku 0723995787 eyaba amakhulu ayisithupha namahlanu imizuzwana eyamakhulu ayisithupha nanhlanu futhi ke lapho ke yayisetshenziswa itower 2G Kensington SGC 3.
Line 21, page 53, 277-2668169. Received a call from accused 5 277-239-95787, 39 seconds on 6 December 2014 at 12:37:46. Cell tower 2G Kwaduma KZN 3.
072768169 ngomhla 6 December 2014 isikhathi kwaku 12:37:46 yathola icall evela 0723995787 awemizuzwana eyamashumi amathathu nesishiyagalolunye lapho ke kusetshenziswa itower okuthiwa 2G Kwaduma KZN 3.
12 line from the bottom, page 55. There's 2 entries. 277-2668169. Received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 36 seconds on the 8th December 2014 at 08:10:01. Cell tower 2G Kensington SGC 2. And the next one 277-2668169. Received a call from accused 5 277-664-27002 on 8 December 2014 at 08:11:09 for 86 seconds. Cell name 2G Kensington SGC 3.
00727668169 yathola icall evela ku 0766427007 eyaba imizuzwana yamashumi amathathu nesithupha ngomhla ka 8 December 2014 ngesikhathi sika 08:10:01 senziswa ke itower ku 2G Kensington SGC 2 futhi ke 072766169 ngomhla 8 December 2014 ngesikhathi sika 8:11:09 yathola futhi ke icall evela ku 07664277007 eyaba imizuzwana amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nayisithupha senziswa ke manje itower ku 2G Kensington SGC 3.
Seventh line from top, page 56. 277-2668169. Received a call from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 28 seconds on 8 December 2014 at 17:54:37. Cell name 2G Kensington SGC 1.
00727668169 ngomhla 8 December 2014 isikhathi 17:54:37 yathola icall evela 076664227007 eyaba imizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili lapho ke kwakusetshenziswa itower u-2G Kensington SGC 1.
Line 14 from the bottom, page 56. 27772668169 received a call from accused 5 27766427007 for 44 seconds on 9 December 2014 at 072713 cell tower 2G Belgravia SGS 2.
Joe 0727668169 ngomhla 9 December 2014 isikhathi 7:27:13 yathola ikhole velo 0766422707 iyaba imizuzwana e-44 kusetshenziswa ke-tower 2G Belgravia SGS 2.
Okay, let's see quickly. 8th line from the top, page 59. 27727668169 received a call MTC from accused 5 27723995787 for 250 seconds on 11 December 2014 081948 cell tower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
So the phone lana who's 0727668169 on 11 December 2014 is Casca 081948. Yeah, today call fellow 07239958787. AI Mizuzwana Amashumi Amakulu Amabili Namashuma Maslan Saga Tower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Twenty-fourth line from top, page 61. 27727668169. They received a call from the accused 5 27723995787 for 8 seconds on the 13th of December 2014 at 11:10:16. Cell tower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Phone 0727668169. Mhla 13 December 2014 isikhathi 11:10:16 yathola ikhole vela 0723995787 iyaba imizuzwana eyisishiyagalombili kusetshenziswa itower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Line 27 from top, page 62. 27727668169. Outgoing call MOC originating to accused 5 27723995787 on 13 December 2014 at 17:31:06. Cell tower 2G Force North SGS 1.
So phone 0727668169 mhla 13 December 2014 isikhathi 17:31:06 yafonela inumber 0723995787 imizuzwana eyamashumi nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa itower 2G Force North SGS 1.
Sorry, just repeat that. Just missed it.
Line number.
It's on page.
Page 62, my lord.
62.
Yeah.
2,
4, 6, 8.
Yes. On the top, it's what line?
16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. About line 27.
27.
27, yes. From the top.
On the page, yeah.
It's in the middle of the page. That's
Okay, the date?
13 December
13 December.
Yeah, 13 December at 17:31:06.
It's on page 62, no? 13 December.
Yeah, page 62, 13 December 2014, 17:31:06.
It's a call lasting 29 seconds.
29 seconds, okay. Thank you, got it. Sorry.
Okay, then here, 14, just check where is the next one here.
Yeah. Hmm.
Sixth line from the bottom, page 63. Two 277-276-8-169 received a call MTC. Call terminating from accused 5 277-723-995787 for 50 seconds on 14 December 2014 at 12:17:58, cell tower 2G, Ngoma Town, KZN 1.
072-766-8169, ngomhla 14 December 2014 isikhathi sika 12:17:58 yathola i-call evela ku 072-3995787 eyabama imizuzwana yamashumi amahlanu evela ku-Tawu 2G Nongoma Town KZN 1.
First line of page 64. 277-668-169 made a call or outgoing call MOC call originating to case 5 277-239-95787 for 23 seconds on 14th of December 2014 14:17:21 cell tower 2G Kwamateni MTN KZN 3.
072-766-8169 14 December 2014 isikhathi sika 14:17:21 yafonela ku 072-399-5787 imizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nantathu sendiswa u-2G Kwamateni MTN KZN 3.
Line 10 from top page 64. 277-268-169 received a call MTC call terminating from accused 5 277-239-95787 for 47 seconds on 14 December 2014 at 18:56:13 cell tower 2G Kwamateni MTN KZN 1.
072-766-8169 mhla 14 December 2014 isikhathi kwako 18:56:13 yathola i-call evela 072-399-5787 iyamashumi amane nesikhombisa emizuzwana eyayiphuma-ke kulethwa 2G Kwamateni MTN KZN 1.
11th line from the bottom, page 64. 277-276-68169 received a call MTC call terminating from accused 5 277-664-27007 for 68 seconds on 15 December 2014 at 07:00 cell tower 2G Nongwane KZN 3.
072-766-8169 mhla 15 December 2014 ngesikhathi sika 07:07:00 yathola i-call evela 076-642-7007 emizuzwana eyamashumi ayisithupha nesishiyagalombili ivela ku-Tawu 2G Ngongwane KZN 3.
Just trying to see where is the next one. Quickly, my lord. 239. I think it's 1, 2, 3.
70.
Page 70, that's correct.
Page 70.
Yes, 70.
70.
70. Okay.
Page 70, third line from the top. 277-27668169. Received a call, MTC, call terminating from accused 5, 277-159-51239 for 75 seconds. On 18 December 2014, 12:35:48. Salto 2G Ngongwane, KZN 3.
1207268169, mhla 18 December 2014, isikhathi sika 12:35:48. Yathola icall evela ku 071-596-1239 yaba imizuzwana yamashumi ayisikhombisa nanhlanu live ekwakusebenziswa khona iTower 2G Ngongwane KZN 3.
Line 9, page 71. Two 277-27668169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from accused 5, 277-239-95787 for 99 seconds on 19 December 2014 at 06:20:19. Salto 2G Ngwane, KZN 3.
072-766-8169 mhla 19 December 2014, isikhathi sika 06:20:19. Yathola icall evela 0723-995787 yamashumi ayishagalolunye neshagalolunye imizuzwana yamashumi ayishagalolunye neshagalolunye wakusebenziswa iTower lapho kuthiwa 2G Ngongwane KZN 3.
Line 11, page 75 from the top. Two 277-727-668169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from accused 5, 277-7664-27007 for 128 seconds on 21 December 2014 at 15:30:50 while in the 2G Kwamateni MTN KZN 2 Tower area.
072-766-8169 mhla 21 December 2014, isikhathi sika 15:30:50 wathola icall evela ku 076-642-7007 imizuzwana yekhulu namashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili ekusebenziswa lapha eTower 2G Kwamateni MTN KZN 2.
Line 27 from the top, page 77. Two 277-276-8169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from accused 5, 277-239-95787 for 75 seconds on the 23rd of December 2014 at 06:17:57. Salto 2G Ngongwane, KZN 3.
072-766-8169 mhla 23 December 2014, isikhathi kwaku 06:17:57. Yathola icall evela ku 072-399-5787 yabe imizuzwana yawo mashumi ayisikhombisa nanhlanu ayevela kusetshenziswa itower kuthiwa u-2G ngongane KZN 3.
Line 7 from the bottom, page 77. 277-727-668-169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from QS5 27772399577 for 41 seconds on 23rd December 2014, 11:51:19. Cell tower 2G Vryheid SADF KZN 1.
072-766-8169 ngomhla 23 December 2014 isikhathi sika 11:51:19 yathola i-call evela ku 0723995787 yabe amashumi amane nelilodwa imizuzwana yathola i-call ekusetshenziswa khona itower u-2G Flyhead SADF KZN1.
Line 5 and 4 from the bottom, page 77. 277-276-68169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from QS5 27723995787 for 51 seconds on 23 December 2014 at 13:27:52. Cell tower 2G Vryheid SADF KZN 1 and 277-276-68169 received a call from MTC, call terminating from QS5 277-2399577 for 34 seconds on 23 December 2014 at 13:35:44. Cell tower 2G Vryheid SADF KZN 1.
207-276-8169 on 23 December 2014 isikhathi kwaku 13:27:52 yathola ikhona evela ku 0723995787 eyimizuzu amashumi amahlanu nowodwa kwakuyimizuzwana kungeyimizuzu amashumi amahlanu nowodwa kusetshenziswa itower ewu-2G Flyhead SADF KZN1 072-766-8169 ngomhla 23 December 2014 13:34 yaphinda yathola ikhole evela ku 072-3995787 emizuzwana yamashumi amathathu nane kusetshenziswa itower u-2G Flyhead SADF KZN1.
Sixth line from the bottom, page 82. Two 277-276-68169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from a QS5 277-664-27007 for 133 seconds on 27 December 2014 at 17:25:30. And cell tower 2G Ichoro MTN KZN 1.
072-766-8169 ngomhla 27 December 2014 ngesikhathi sika 17:25:30 yathola ikhole evela ku 076-642-7007 ekhulu namashumi amathathu nantathu eyayivela ku eyayisetshenziswa itower u-2G Shodo MTN KZN 1.
18th line from the bottom, page 83. Two 277-766-8169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from a QS5 277-664-27007 for 79 seconds on 28 December 2014, 19:35:20. Cell tower 2G ngwane KZN 3.
2007-276, 8169, ngomhla 28 December 2014, ngomhla 1935-20, wathola ikhwalivelo 076 642 7007 imizuzwana amashumi ayisikhombisa nesishiyagalolunye sebenzisa ithathwa 2G ngongole KZN 3.
Tenth line from the top, page 87. To 7772668 received the call MTC call terminating from accused 5 27772399787.
(072-766) 8169 ngoNgqibelo January 2015. Kuthiwa ke wathola ngesikhathi ka 1323-39 wathola ikhole evela ku 072-399-5787 imizuzwana kwabo amashumi ayisithupha nesishiyagalolunye usebenzisa ithawa ke u-2G ngongwane KZN 3.
Thirteenth line from the bottom, page 90, page 90. 2772668 received a call MTC call terminating from accused 5 27715951239 for 53 seconds on the 5th of January 2015 at 07:53:00. Shelter 2G ngwane KZN 3.
2007-2766, 8169, ngomhla 5 January 2015, isikhathi 07:53:00, athola ikhole evela ku 071-595-1239, kwakuyimizuzwana eyamashumi amahlanu nantathu, ekusebenziswa ithawa lapho 2G ngongwane KZN 3.
Line 13 from the top, page 91. 2772668 received the call MTC call terminating from accused 5 2777159512339 for 64 seconds on 5th of January 2015 at 15:42:43. Shelter 2 ngwane KZN 3.
Telephone is 072-766-8169, Saga 5 January 2015, Iskaska 15:42:43, athola ikhole evela 071-595-1239, eyayamashumi ayisithupha namane imizuzwana. Kusetshenziswa ke lapha ithawa u-2G ngongwane KZN 3.
Now it is 1300 hours. Will this be an appropriate time to take the long adjournment?
Okay. 2 o'clock then.